So we are here again making my third video. Okay, so in this video we're going to learn how to make a feature machine, and we're going to use Oracle Feature Box. So I'm assuming you have it by now, and as you can see I already have my feature machines here, which is Linux and Black Hat, and now we're going to learn them. Then first step is to insert a virtual machine name, and in this case I choose Kali. You can use any name you want, it doesn't affect it should be working, so you can choose what you want. And then in ISO image I'm going to use Kali, which I downloaded like 3 months ago, and I'm going to use that now. And OS Kali, and then we need to choose the OS distribution you want for your project, because there are Kali Linux is many OS distributions. So here we've got Ubuntu, PC Linux OS, non-driver, and Gentoo. But in this video I'm going to use Black Arch Linux. Then we choose Arch Linux 64-bit. You're going to choose 32-bit, but I'm going to use 64-bit. Then proceed, and we use to choose the base memory of our machine before we start. So I'm going to use 48.9 megabytes, and number of CPUs 1, and then you can even choose 2 or 3 or 4, but I'm going to use 1. And disk size 8 gigabytes. Right way it needed to be. Then we finish. There you go with your feature machine. Enjoy making your project.